Hello gang and welcome to this video. My name's Hayden. If you don't know who I am, I've sold over 5 million in the last few years, 5 years to be precise. Pretty sure it's around 5 years. I do a little bit of private label, a lot of unique bundles, launched about 150 of them, and I also do online arbitrage. I sell in internationally, multiple marketplaces as well. I also own an Amazon PPC ads agency where we affordably manage people that have unique bundles, arbitrage, private label, that sort of stuff at affordable prices. So I'm going to go in this video. I'm going to go into tracking your keywords, because one of the biggest mistakes people do is not track their keywords, and they're not monitoring the progress of their PPC and the progress of their new product launches, and the actual success that they're having. And the reason this is really important, and the reason I personally use Helium10 to do this, because it's one of the only epic tools that actually got this feature correctly laid out and everything like that, fully optimized. It's definitely the easiest tool to use for this, and I'm going to show you how to use it right now. The main reason it's so important is because if you're not tracking this stuff, you don't understand how your product is performing. You don't understand if your product's a success or not. You can't understand simple data. Should you spend more money on ads? Should you pull it back? Has it been a fail? Has it not? If you're not increasing your organic rank, if you're not maintaining your organic rank, then I always say you're just feeding Amazon loads of money on PPC. If you're spending loads of money and you're not increasing the organic rank, if you're not maintaining it, you're just wasting money. You're just giving Amazon money. So in this video, I'm going to dive into how to track it on Helium10 and what to look for. So I'll see you very, very soon inside. So let's dive into it. So obviously the normal stuff up here, you add the products using that. My face has disappeared. We're just going to leave it because it's annoying me. My face has disappeared there, whatever. Add the products up here like that. You click onto any product that you want to look into a little bit more with the ASINs, and then you've got sort of an overview here from your keywords, right? So you've got straight away it shows you there, where are you ranking for your top 50, 2 keywords for your top 50 on this product, 5 keywords, and then let's say this product down here, it's showing us in the top 10. We've actually gone up a spot there, as you can see, and we've got 1 keyword in the top 10 of keywords that we've typed in, and in the top 50 we're 8. So this gives you like a brief overview if you like, but then the really juicy stuff comes is when we click into products here. So as again, I've blurred it all out on the left here for, obviously privacy purposes for myself, but your keywords are going to show up on the left there. It's going to show you your search volume there. It's then going to show you your organic rank here, and then your sponsored rank, right? So obviously, once you've entered all these keywords manually yourself or imported them from another ASIN, could be a competitor, could be one of your current products, you need to start tracking them, right? And as you can see here, this keyword, which you're not going to know because I've obviously had to keep it private, has actually gone up 43 spaces very, very recently, and it's now at rank 124, and there's 1,822 search for that, so it's a really good thing. This one here, as we can see, is increased as well, so it's now at 149 organic rank, and it's gone up 5 points, so that's good. This one here, 37 organic, we've actually lost 5 there, so we'd have to look into that. So what your goal here, guys, with the organic tracking is to just make sure that you're actually making progress, right? Because what a lot of people do is they smash the PPC for months and months, spend loads of money, do not make any profit, and then what happens is they figure out that as soon as they turn the PPC off, which you have to do one day, otherwise you're not going to be profitable if you're spending that much, then all their organic ranks just drop and they've lost all that momentum, right? And here's the thing, not every product's going to be a massive winner, not every product's going to be really successful, and not every product is going to be able to be in the top 10 or even the top 50. A lot of my products are not in the top 10, a lot of them like 30 or 40 organic rank, and I don't mind that, I'm happy to have a broader catalogue with not the top 10 spots. I don't care about the top 10 spots. In fact, it's more risky to be in the top 10 spots because you've always got competition trying to creep away at you. If you're in like the 30, 40, 50 spot, then, your product's not clearly as desirable, whether it's the price or how it looks, but it's fine because, you've found a nice spot, you're still getting sales, and it's not going to be as hard in terms of the competition. So there we go. But what I'm saying here, guys, is with this organic rank, this is how you track it, right? You need to make sure you're tracking it. You need to make sure that it's going up in the organic rank or sustaining the organic rank. And once you're going to hit a certain level, If you turn off the ads and it goes straight back down, that probably means your product's not going to be able to have a sustained organic rank in the spot that you necessarily want it to be. You've got to be realistic, right? If you've gone at this for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks with PPC, and every time you turn the ads right down or turn them off, your organic rank drops massively and you just can't sustain it, then maybe, just maybe, it shouldn't be in that spot and it's not going to be able to sustain that organic spot, and you should just be happy with the organic rank that you've got, right? You want to be checking these on a regular basis. Have we got any sponsored adding? As you can see for this agent, hardly running any ads, but you can see we're sponsored spot number 29 there, we're sponsored spot 46 there, and we're organic 57. So therefore, if I was launching a product and I really wanted to pursue this keyword, and I can see we've just lost 5, we're only all sponsored rank 29, maybe I need to focus on this keyword and sponsor a lot more money towards it, and then come back and track where we are in a couple of weeks. Now, if I get to rank number 10, for example, I might be really happy with that. But if I then turn my ads down to what a sustainable amount is without me losing money on that product, and it comes back to 37, then guys, it's just not a very good product, or it's just not happening, you know. Like you can only spend so much, right? And that's why this is really important. Hopefully what would happen if I spent loads more money on that, got it to a good organic rank, it should hopefully, if the product is good enough, be able to sustain that organic rank and not lose a load. Because you have to invest initially to launch products, guys, as we know. So, guys, that's how you sort of briefly read this. You can do it for all your different ASINs. Scroll down here and just check briefly once again, overview here, and then click into every single individual product, check your organic ranks, and just make sure it's performing in the way you want it to perform. If it's not, then you need to cut your losses, get rid of the product, or you need to edit the price, or you need to edit the title, pictures, something like that, right? Turn your ads down and just come back to a sustainable organic rank, right? So that's the importance. I just wanted to go over that. That's the importance of the organic rank. There's my face back there. Yeah, as I say, 20% off Helium10 if you want to give it a go below. Other than that, any questions, chuck them in the comments. I'll see you soon, guys.